Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Practice English with Rakesh. So my name is Rakesh and I create video for my YouTube channel regarding about how to practice English at home, how to practice English while walking, while cooking and while doing household chore. So today I'm here to talk about my routines. How was my day today and what is my routine? So now let's start the video. So today I got up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. After getting up, I saw my hand like this and I kissed my hand and I rubbed my hand and I touched my hand on my face. Then then I got up from the bed and I switched on my heater switch. So I warmed up the water and I had, yeah, you can say here, I drank 2 glass of lukewarm water, and today I also put half spoon black salt. So this black salt, when you drink in the morning with the lukewarm water, it will help you to clean your intestine. So after drinking that lukewarm water, I grabbed my towel and went to washroom and entered my washroom. And the first work, the first job that I did in washroom, that is I pooped. Then I felt little bit lax. Then I filled water into the bucket, warm water into the bucket, and I had shower. So that is very normal English if you want to speak. But I will suggest you should speak every moment, like every situation. When you start speak every situation, like you can say, I poured water on my body. After that, I poured 3/4 water jug on my body. Then I grabbed soap and I rubbed. Yeah, I applied soap on my whole body. Okay. Then I also applied shampoo on my hair. I lathered the shampoo on my hair. Lather means झाग देना उसको, ठीक है? Then you can say I rinsed my body. You can say I cleaned my body. ठीक? I also rinsed my hair. Okay, clean my whole body. Then I I dried my body from the towel. ठीक? So every situation, when you start speaking every situation, little situation, like I dried my body with towel, then I applied oil. Then I applied oil on my body. So I massaged with that oil on my body. Then I put on the cloth. Then I put on new cloth. Okay, yeah, clean cloth, you can say. After that, I wrapped towel on my wet hair. ठीक? Why did I wrap the towel? Because I wrapped towel to dry my hair. Then I opened the door. Okay. Then I opened the door. I came out from the washroom and I put the towel on the rope to dry it. Okay. Then I I came. I walked towards my home yard. So after at home yard there was a pot. Okay, so I grabbed that pot, I filled water on that pot, and I offered that water to sun. So that is every situation. I offered that water to the sun, I bow down and I touch that water on my head. That is deep situation. When you start speaking in deep situation, okay. After that, I came to my room, okay, and I unwrapped that towel from my head and dried my head. I sweep the floor. I sweep my room floor, okay, with broom, okay, and then I opened all the window. I opened also all the window of my room and I sat on the yoga mat. Then I did yoga for 1 hour. I did pranayam for 1 hour. After that, I did stretching. After that, I did stretch. Then I actually stretched my body. I did some yoga asana exercise. Then I took yoga nidra just for 5 minutes. After that, I had some fruit because in first before meal every day I have fruit. So I had some fruits, soaked walnut. So here, if you want to speak in a deep situation, then you can say I peeled. I peeled that almond, soaked almond, and ate. Okay, and I also ate walnut, sesame, 2 spoon of sesame seed, honey. Then after 5 minutes, then I had breakfast. It's not breakfast; it's full meal because I do not eat lunch. I just eat 2 time food. So that is the every time situation. Okay, I will tell you another situation. Okay, it's a little bit hard. Okay, so not whole day, but in evening time situation. So in evening time, when I finished my work on my laptop, okay, then I went to home yard. So my mom was sitting on the chair. So then I also sat with my mom with on the another chair. Then I yeah we both started talking each other. Then my mom said, "Today you have to make food, make dinner." I said, "Why?" So mom said, "Your sister-in-law will not come today. So your sister-in-law went to her mom home." Okay, so that is the situation. Now, then I said, yeah, you can say, yeah. And then I said, yes, I will make food. So after that, after making that promise to my mom, I I got up from that chair. I came to my room. Then I watched the time. So it was 4:30. I thought I should start making dinner. I walked up to the kitchen. Oh, now in kitchen there are so many situations, deep situation. Okay, if I want to say like in a quick words, then I can say like I made food, I made dinner, I went to the kitchen and made dinner. But if I really want to learn how to speak in every situation, how I can speak in every situation, then I think we should speak English with every situation. Like I went to kitchen, I opened the door. The first job that I did, I poured the water into the pot. I switched on the gas. Then I started warming up that water. Then I you can say take out 1 bowl of rice. I rinsed that rice 2 times. I rinsed that properly. Then I saw the water. I saw the water is boiling or not. So water was boiling. So I poured that rice into the boiled water, and I stirred that rice. Okay, in the pot. So rice actually will not stuck in on the surface. We can say surface of pot. So that is the appreciation. After that, there are so many situations. So video will be long, but I will tell you in short. After that, I opened Almira and I thought, what kind of pulse should I make today? So one idea came in mind that I should make that red pulse. We can say in Hindi, malka ki dal. This packet was not there in the kitchen. So I walked down to another room where pigeon pulse was stored स्टोर करके रखी थी, ठीक है. So I grabbed and again I walked up and I take out pigeon pulse, one ball of pigeon pulse. I rinsed that properly, and today as I actually also add one one feast, that is feast, ठीक है. The one feast of soya badi add in this pulse, and I rinsed that properly. So when I was rinsing that, so that time, the first that time, before that time, actually I put pressure cooker gas on the gas flame. So I poured some oil. So until when I was rinsing that pulse, oil was warming. So when I rinsed that pulse, so oil to have warmed. ठीक? Oil have warmed, and then I put some spice. Then I stir that spice. So I stir that spice until when that you can say tadka, until when that spice, that tadka, will turn transparent. Like roasted किया मैंने, I roasted that will turn transparent. Then it actually transparent. Then I put pulse. I stir it. I roasted that pulse for 5 minutes. Then I poured water, and after that I covered that pressure cooker. And here I can use increased the gas flame. Yeah, you can say another. There are so many words. If you have some other word in your mind, then you can comment me. So after that, I did so many works in kitchen. I will not explain with you, but if you want me to explain everything in deep situation, then please comment me. So please comment me below. I will make video on that deep situations. So thank you very much for the watching this video. I will come in next video with new information, with new topic. Take care.